2 cup sweet corn, grind it in mixer grinder.
Subscribe.
1 medium-size onion chopped. 1 capsicum chopped. Green chili chopped. 2 teaspoon boiled sweet corn. 2 medium-sized boiled and mashed potatoes. Haara Dhaniya. 2 tablespoon roasted besan. Squeeze half lemon. Ginger paste. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. A half teaspoon garam masala. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. A half teaspoon black pepper powder. A half cup breadcrumbs.
Subscribe.
If soft, can add more besan. Take a pan, let it warm.
Subscribe.
Serve and enjoy.
Subscribe. Like, comment, share.